Okay, go.
My color is white. Carbonara!
Next.
My color is red and I bought spaghetti. My color is peach and this is peach dinuguan. My color is green and I brought lumpiang sariwa. Kasi siya green nga. Ang kulay ko ay orange. Ano po yung dala nyo?
Ano po yung dala niya?
Dala niyong pagkain? Fanta and orange.
Ano sasabihin ko?
My color is...
My color is, ano nga ba color ko? Bronze gold and I brought cake.
Yeah.
My color is brown for Xperry. My color is black coffee jelly. My color is yellow, beef chow mein. My color is rainbow kasing kulay ng love life ko. Kulay blue. Super rich and lace tanggal uma.